Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix services error 1058. The service cannot be started. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open Windows Update Service. Make sure startup type is automatic. Click Apply, click Start, click OK. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click WUAU serve. Open Start. Make sure the value data is 2, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.